Mis manos me están doliendo.
Oh shit.
Don't you just hate when your hair gets in the way? Okay, excuse me.
What the?
No manches.
Ready?
And I was supposed to take pictures.
No mames, dude.
Ew, I feel so disgusting, you guys. And nobody won because we were freaking out. Just put gloves like that when I can't have sticky hands. Like, I can't.
Oh, no mames, it's cold.
I'm trying to become
Yeah.
burp on command. I cannot burp on command. I
just did
¿Mira
it.
ves? Okay, you just ate soda though. You just drank soda. Y ahorita voy a tomarme un poquito de cafecito porque tengo un chingo de frío, tengo bien mucho frío. Mi mamá trajo café de Starbucks y pues mira, we're bougie.
Alright.
I don't, that's the thing. You don't like to do that one?
Yeah, that's
Ew, te vomitaste. Yeah, I told you take time. Why just Oh my god, that's not ladylike. That was loud. That was louder than mine.
Start it.
Oh my god.
The Big Mac.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't even want to talk
This is
about
a
math.
2-liter
I'm not even
soda?
good at math.
I didn't know this was 2 liter. So I drink like a liter. No, what do you mean?
I'm shy, I'm friendly though. Outgoing. Down to earth. Outgoing. And that's what's my weakness. That's what like really like that's what I've been like gaining weight. Girl, you're drinking water. Command, so like there's no need.
La banda norteña.
La banda no tiene unos cargos del año. And it feels like I'm not even like burping.
That makes you full instantly.
Oh, this makes me so full. You guys, if you want to get full fast,
I'm at. Look it.
why are you still winning? My pants are getting grande. Oh my god. 1 out of 5. No, wait, she got 5 out of 6. And she's going strong.
I'm sorry. Excuse me, ladylike. No. My stomach hurts.
Pues, ¿tomaste bien rápido? Tú dale, man, tú dale. ¿Qué necesitas?
Oh, it fucking hurts.
Like a bitch. Dude, she's winning.
I would have thrown up.
7, 8, 9, 10 with different types of sodas. I don't know because we're down.
You counted like 8 times that I counted.
Yeah, she's like. Oh my god.